If you want to turn off or even restart your Google Pixel 10a, you have two options. First, you can simply press the power button plus volume up at the same time. And you see you have this option here to power it off and also restart. Then also, if you simply swipe down from your phone twice, so you see you have this option here again that you can click and you will have the same menu. Also, perhaps if your phone has frozen up or it's not properly responding, so if you can't access those, you can simply press and hold the power plus volume up for maybe like 10 seconds, and the phone also will essentially like force restart itself and also check if everything is okay and try to heal itself as well even. So I see it turns off, and in a few seconds essentially it will turn on, check what's wrong with the phone, if everything is okay, like restart it and hopefully bring it back to the life as well. So you see it takes a while it's checking everything. Okay, let's see how long it takes to start. Okay, so you see the logo. Okay, good luck.